Thinking about VR safety training, but not sure if it's really worth the cost? The question isn't, is VR cool? The real question is, when does VR actually beat your current safety training in results and ROI? First, high-risk, high-consequence work. If mistakes can seriously injure people, shut down production, or trigger regulatory trouble, VR is worth a serious look. It lets people practice dangerous scenarios safely before they ever touch the real environment. Second, complex procedures that people don't do every day. Think lockout-tagout, emergency shutdowns, confined space entry. VR helps them walk the steps, make decisions, and feel the consequence of a wrong move without real-world damage. Third, you train lots of people across multiple sites. VR has higher upfront cost, but once the module is built, you can reuse it again and again. The more people you train, the lower the cost per person, and the stronger the business case. Fourth, your current training isn't moving the needle. If you're still seeing the same incidents, near misses, or procedures ignored in the field, VR can help. Immersive practice usually drives higher engagement, better recall, and more confident behavior on the job. When is VR not worth it? For very simple, low-risk topics, like basic policy refreshers or one-page safety reminders, stick with e-learning, video, or toolbox talks. Save VR for problems that really need immersion. So here's the quick test. VR safety training is usually worth it when 1. The work is high risk or high consequence. 2. The procedure is complex or rarely practiced. 3. You're training many people repeatedly. And 4. Your current training isn't changing behavior. If you check 2 or more of those boxes, it's time to seriously run the numbers on VR. Start with one high-risk scenario, measure the impact, and scale from there.